Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be giving DIY on skin lightening mask. Summers are approaching, so everyone is concerned about their skin. So today I'll be giving you a simple mask. You can apply this at home. So there are 4 ingredients in this mask. First is honey. Second is rice flour. Third is turmeric, and fourth is curd. So let's get started. First is rice flour. This is also available in the market, but if you wanna make at home, it's very easy to make. Like, take a small amount of rice and just grind it in the mixer, and you will see a small powder. It's very good for exfoliation. So those who always want a natural ingredient to be used on their face, this is the best ingredient. Next is turmeric. It is antioxidant and gives a shine to your face. Like, from ancestors, turmeric is considered to be a good for skin. Next is honey. It is also antioxidant. It has anti-inflammatory properties and gives a shine to your face. I'm using Dabur honey. You can use any honey, whatever you want. And next is curd. Curd contains a lactic acid, which is very good for skin, and it gives a shine and even clear your skin tone. So let's make it. First I'll take rice flour. A pinch, not a very large amount. You just have to take a pinch of turmeric. See, 1 spoon curd, and a little bit of honey. Mix all the ingredients well, and if you find this pack, see the consistency. If you have white heads, black heads, or your skin is very much tan, you can take rice flour, because it's a very good exfoliator. You can also use it as scrub. If you want to scrub your face, you can add little bit of more of rice flour. See the consistency. Neither thick just take this like with your 4 fingers. You can apply this pack on any part of your body. See, take a thick amount so that it will cover your skin. See, and it's very good for your face. It's very good for your face, and you have to apply this for at least 20 minutes. Let this pack dry, and after 20 minutes just rub it like this. It will also work as a scrub. And believe me guys, I apply this in summers after 3 or 4 days.